Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin'.
Subscribe now for honest reviews and exclusive deals.
Tired of struggling with heavy chainsaws? Meet the 12-inch brushless cordless electric chainsaw, the perfect tool for fast, clean, and effortless cutting. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor, it delivers up to 28,900 RPM with a 15 meters per second chain speed for smooth, precise cuts through wood, branches, and garden projects. Choose from 4.0 AH or 6.0 AH battery options, or use your existing Makita 18-volt battery for maximum convenience. Its lightweight, ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, while the built-in oil system keeps the chain running smoothly for longer. Whether you're trimming trees, cutting firewood, or tackling DIY woodworking, this cordless chainsaw is built to get the job done, quickly, safely, and efficiently. Need a powerful glue gun without the hassle of cords? The 100-watt Cordless Hot Glue Gun is the perfect choice for DIY projects, crafts, home repairs, and woodworking. Compatible with DeWalt 20-volt batteries, battery not included, it heats up in just 5 minutes and delivers smooth, consistent glue with strong adhesion. The package includes 12 full-size 11mm glue sticks, so you're ready to start right away. Built with overheat, low voltage, and short-circuit protection, plus an anti-drip nozzle and heat-resistant silicone tip, it keeps every project safer and cleaner. If you already own DeWalt batteries, just snap one in and get professional results anytime, anywhere. Looking for a compact drill that's perfect for detailed work? Meet the AeroMax Mini Electric Drill, a lightweight cordless rotary tool designed for precision and convenience. Its rechargeable built-in battery lets you work anywhere without messy cables, making it ideal for DIY projects, crafts, and small repairs. Easily drill and work on wood, plastic, aluminum, metal, and more with smooth, reliable performance. Weighing just 290 grams, it's comfortable to hold and easy to carry, even during longer projects. With CE, FCC, and ROSE certifications, you can count on safe and dependable operation. Whether you're a hobbyist, crafter, or DIY enthusiast, the AeroMax Mini Electric Drill is the perfect tool to bring your ideas to life. Need serious power for demanding jobs? The 36mm brushless cordless rotary hammer drill is built to tackle concrete, masonry, and heavy-duty drilling with ease. Its high-performance brushless motor delivers longer life, greater efficiency, and less heat during extended use. With an impressive 10-joule impact force and 4,500 impacts per minute, it powers through tough materials quickly and accurately. Switch between drill mode and hammer mode for maximum versatility on construction sites or home renovation projects. Compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, battery not included, this lightweight, ergonomic tool helps reduce fatigue while giving you the cordless freedom to work anywhere. For professionals and DIY users alike, this rotary hammer drill delivers the power, performance, and reliability you need. Bring your creativity to life with the AeroMax SGS Engraving Pen, a powerful cordless rotary tool designed for precision carving and detailing. With speeds up to 30,000 RPM, it delivers smooth, accurate engraving on metal, wood, glass, plastic, and more. The built-in rechargeable lithium battery gives you complete freedom to work anywhere, while the 42-piece accessory kit lets you engrave, polish, sand, and carve with ease. Lightweight and compact, it's comfortable to hold for detailed projects and perfect for DIY crafts, personalized gifts, jewelry work, and home repairs. Certified for safety and reliability, the AeroMax SGS Engraving Pen combines professional performance with portable convenience. Create, customize, and carve with confidence, anytime, anywhere.